In the previous video, we learned subtraction of time, and in this video we will do some conversions. I have divided the problem set into three categories. The first one is to minutes, the second one is to hours and minutes, and the third one is to seconds. Let's go with the first one. So the first is to minutes, and in this we will convert to minutes. So the first part of this is 2 hours. How many minutes are 2 hours basically? So when you have to convert from hours to minutes, you multiply the question by 60. So this is equals to 2 into 60 minutes, which is equal to 120 minutes. And now the second part is 2 hours and 30 minutes. We already know how much 2 hours is, 120 minutes. So this is nothing but 120 minutes plus 30 minutes, which is equal to 150 minutes. Now the third part is 300 seconds. Here it's seconds, it's not hours. And you have to remember, when you convert from seconds to minutes, we divide by 60. So you will divide 300 by 60, which give you the answer, and which will be equal to 5 minutes. The last part of this category is 320 seconds. Now we already know how much 300 seconds is, 5 minutes. And if you divide 320 by 60, you will be able to divide it till 300, and the remainder will remain 20. And the remainder will remain 20, and you don't have to do anything with that 20. That will be in the answer as it is. So this will be nothing but 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Now the second category is 2 hours and minutes, and you have to convert 60 minutes to hours. So to convert 60 minutes to hours, you multiply it with what? You multiply it with nothing but you divide it with 60. So it will be 60 divided by 60 hours, which is equal to 1 hour. And then there is 65 minutes. As we already know, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, so it will be 1 hour, and the 5 will remain as remainder when you divide it. That will be in 5 minutes. Now the third part is 3700 seconds. You have to convert this into hours and minutes. So first we will convert this to hours, and let's see what we get. So if you divide 3700 by 60, this will convert it into minutes. Okay, because when we divide seconds by 60, we get into minutes, and which will be equal to 61 minutes. But the remainder will remain, and the remainder will remain 40 when you divide 3700 by 60. And what the remainder will remain will be counted as seconds. So this will be 61 minutes and 40 seconds. Now let's move to the third category, where we have to convert to seconds. How to convert to seconds? When you convert from minutes to seconds, you multiply by 60. So this will be 5 into 60, which is equal to 300 seconds. And the second part is 2 hours. Now we learned where? We learned here that if you have to get hours into minutes, you multiply it by 60. Okay, so first we will convert it into minutes and then we will convert it into seconds. So that will be a double conversion that we will do in just one step. So 2 hours can be written as 2 into 60, and this will be the answer in minutes. This will be the conversion in minutes. But when you multiply it by 60 again, this minutes will be converted to seconds, and that will be equal to 7200 seconds. And the last part of this is 3 hours and 20 minutes. Here we can convert the hours into minutes, and then we can add the minutes together, and then we can multiply that answer with 60 to get the answer in seconds. So if you multiply, this will be something like this. Let's do it here. 3 into 60, this will be converting 3 hours into minutes, and you have to convert it in seconds as well. So this will be 3 hours into seconds, and then you have to add this converted into seconds, and this will be 20 into 60, which will be equal to 10800 plus 1200, and which will be equal to 12000 seconds. So that will be all about the conversions. So here is what we did. Here's a quick recap. There are hours, then there are minutes, and then there are seconds. And we can do it in the other direction as well. When you convert from hours to minutes, you multiply by 60, and when you convert from minutes to seconds, you multiply by 60, and when you convert from seconds to minutes, you divide by 60, and when you go from minutes to hours, you divide by 60.